Converting decimals to fractions. Our first example is 8.236. When converting decimals to fractions, the first step is to take the last digit and figure out what place value that digit lies in. Our last digit 6 lies in the thousands place. So now we're just going to place this number over 1000 and remove the decimal point. So our answer is 8,236 over 1000. This fraction can be simplified. It simplifies to 2059 over 250. Because this is an improper fraction, it can also be converted to a mixed fraction. As a mixed fraction, our answer would be 8 and 59 over 250. Our next example is 0.23. Again, the first step is to count the decimal place of the last digit, 3. 3 lies in the hundredths place. So that means that we're going to place this number over 100 and remove the decimal point. So 0.23 as a fraction is 23 over 100. And 23 over 100 is our final answer. And that was our last example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful math tutorials. Thank you guys.